This song is a song that I try as much as possible not to cry anytime I perform it because it's a very emotional song. It's a song that talks about the domestic violence that women go through in relationships. We know that most of the time, or we know somebody, or some of us have been in an abusive relationship before, and you want to leave because the pain is too much, but you can't leave because you're so in love with this person. And we've heard so many stories of, oh, this woman was in an abusive relationship. She got married to an abusive man, but she couldn't leave because, everyone is like, oh, he's your husband. You married him. Oh, it will get better. He will change. They won't change. They will keep using you as a punching bag. Choose your peace. Choose your peace of mind. Choose your health. Choose your self-worth. If you have kids, choose your kids. Forget the man. Move away. So this song is me literally putting myself in such a situation and saying, if it was me, although it would be hard, very hard, it would be very difficult, I'm going to choose my sanity and I'm going to leave. So Miya is gone for I'm leaving or I'm going. And if you're someone out there watching me right now and you're stuck in an abusive relationship, you feel like people will laugh at you if you open up, definitely there should be a friend or two or someone in your family that you can reach out to and talk to. They will be there for you. They will put that man where he belongs, and so that you can be free. Love yourself. That's literally all I'm saying.
Adichimbiara na wobome wonya seka nkranka otipe wome mekai kai brena ubesimipe mekai kai brena yeto yeje febane sena o mafia me febane sena o tata me o shemi bobi sawa tata me when you're fufuro I got you with me no defeat. Believe say you would it to me this make me shino my soul yet me a supporting no defeat. Believe say you would it to me this make me shino my soul yet me a supporting it won't me going away me going away, Miya. Ooh, oh, Miya. Miya. Going away, Miya. Going away, Miya. Miya. Tell me you're sorry. I know that you're lying. God sent me name. So besayana. You're causing me pain that you one day regret. All of the times I fought for you have been in vain. You didn't tell me the truth. You did not tell me the truth. Oh, and you swore on your life that I was the only one out there, baby. Why did you do this to me? Why'd you do this to me? Oh, I know defeat. Believe say you would did to me this. Make me shino my soul yeah me a soul what I know defeat. Believe say you would did to me this. Make me shino my soul yeah me a soul what it won't me going away, Miya. Going away, Miya. Ooh, oh, Miya.
Thank you so much.